Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to find a Roblox server region. Now this is really useful if you're experiencing high ping or performance issues, then selecting a region close to you can help with all of these issues. So in order to do this, you need to head over to a search engine and you need to type in BT Roblox extension and hit enter. Then right at the top you'll see this BT Roblox extension by the Chrome Web Store, so go ahead and select that. As you can see, this is being used by 4 million people and it's had over 5,100 ratings, so it's completely free to install, and we just need to select add to Chrome at the top here. Click on add extension, and once you've added this extension to your browser, simply head over to roblox.com. As you can see, the interface has now changed slightly. What we need to do is come over to the settings window in the top right hand side, click on BTR settings, and then scroll all the way down to advanced. Click on this tab here to expand it, and right at the bottom down here you'll see this server region section. So click on this drop down and change this to region. Then you can close out of this window, and we're then going to head into any Roblox game. I'm just going to use this Dress to Impress one as an example. Then if you scroll down the page, you'll see this server section, and we can see exactly where these servers are located. So if I just filter this to exclude the full servers, you can see we have one here in Australia or Germany or Netherlands. So you can go ahead and pick a server that's close to you to increase your ping, and it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you find a Roblox region. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.